Remember when birthday parties were simple? Just homemade cake, a few balloons, and kids laughing in the backyard till sunset. Back then, joy didn't need a theme or matching plates, just love, laughter, and maybe a messy face full of frosting. Now, it feels like every year the bar gets higher, bounce houses, dessert tables, and themed decorations that look straight out of Pinterest. Somewhere along the way, we started comparing, and that simple joy began to feel not enough. We tell ourselves, it's just one day, but that one day can eat half the grocery budget. And somehow we feel guilty if it's not picture perfect, even though our kids would be just as happy with cake and friends. If we keep chasing that perfect picture, we'll teach our kids that happiness has a price tag. But what if the most magical memories come from the simplest moments? So how do real moms throw amazing, joy-filled parties without spending a fortune? Hey moms. I'm Betty, your guide here on the Budget Betty channel, where we say real tips, real moms, real savings. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because every week, we share simple, money-saving tips made for moms like you. This video is for educational and inspiration purposes only. No sponsorships. No product pushing, just honest mom hacks that work. Today, I'll show you how to plan unforgettable parties your kids will love, on a realistic mom budget. From themes to food to decorations, we're covering it all. So grab your coffee, take a deep breath, and let's plan a party that your wallet and your kids will thank you for. Did you know the average US parent now spends between $400 to $600 for one birthday party? That's crazy, right? But here's the thing, our kids don't care about the price tag. They care about the joy, the games, the giggles, and how loved they feel. When we look back, our favorite childhood parties weren't about expensive decorations. They were about the memories. The messy frosting fights, the silly games, and our parents' laughter echoing in the background. That's what sticks in a child's heart forever. Imagine a party where you're not stressing over receipts or scrolling Pinterest for perfection. Instead, you're in the moment, dancing with your kids, snapping photos that make your heart smile, and feeling proud of the joy you created with love, not money. The biggest trap? Trying to keep up with those Pinterest perfect or social media moms. But you don't need to compete, because what really matters is the love in your home, not the likes online. Let's be honest, most of us start shopping before we even know who's coming or what the theme is. That's where the chaos begins. When we plan first, everything else falls into place. No wasted money, no double buying. Here's a simple 3-step plan that saves your wallet. Guest count. Theme. Menu. Start with who's coming. Pick a theme that fits your child's joy. Then plan food that won't drain your budget. Easy, right? Now imagine this one cozy evening, just you, your planner, and a cup of tea. You're calmly designing your child's dream party without panic or last-minute runs. It feels peaceful, joyful, and totally in control. Here's the golden rule. Never buy things just in case. Stick to your checklist and reuse what you already have. You'll be amazed how creative you can be when you plan with purpose. You don't need a big budget to make your child's party feel magical. The secret is picking a fun theme that sparks their imagination, not your credit card bill. Think of themes like a backyard adventure, a cozy pajama party, or a mini carnival right at home. You can actually create most decorations for less than $30. A few balloons, streamers, and cardboard boxes can turn into castles, carnival booths, or cozy tents. It's about seeing everyday things with creative eyes. That's where the magic lives. Imagine your child walking into a world you created, not a store-bought copy. Their eyes light up, their smile says it all. That joy, that moment of surprise, is something money just can't buy. Don't fall into the trap of thinking expensive means better. The best parties come from love, not luxury. Remember, even blankets, balloons, and a little creativity can turn into something truly magical. Feeding a crowd doesn't have to drain your wallet, mama. You can make food fun and affordable with creative ideas like DIY snack bars or potluck-style menus. Imagine everyone bringing their favorite dish. It saves money and feels like a warm community gathering. DIY snack bars or potluck-style meals can cut your food cost by more than half. Seriously? And kids? They eat with their eyes first. Make it colorful, not complicated. Bright fruits, mini sandwiches, and fun finger foods that make their little eyes light up. Picture this. Guests compliment your food spread. They love the creativity, the freshness, the color. You smile, knowing it cost half of what you spent last year. That's the power of smart, thoughtful planning, not spending. Here's the secret, Mama, simplicity wins every time. Instead of catering everything, make simple, shareable bites. Popcorn cups, fruit skewers, DIY sandwich stations. Because like Da Vinci said, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. You don't need a big budget to make your party look beautiful. Reuse what you already have. Jars, fabric scraps, even old paper can turn into stunning centerpieces. DIY magic can save you up to $120 while making everything feel uniquely yours. Here's a secret. It's not about how much you buy, but how well you match it. Color coordination can make even the simplest setup feel like it came straight out of a Pinterest board. Pick 2 or 3 main colors and everything will suddenly look put together and stylish. Imagine your living room glowing with fairy lights and handmade garlands. Every little detail, from painted jars to folded paper stars, shows love and creativity. It's cozy, personal, and something your guests will never forget. Don't feel embarrassed if your decorations are handmade. That's what makes them special. Every ribbon and paint stroke carries your love. Remember, handmade means heart-made. Here's the secret, moms, fun doesn't have to come with a price tag. Most kids don't care about fancy entertainers or bouncy castles. They just want to play together, laugh, and feel free. The best memories come from simple moments that cost absolutely nothing. Research shows that 80% of kids actually prefer games they can play together, like scavenger hunts, musical chairs, or art corners. These activities spark creativity, teamwork, and endless giggles without needing to rent a single thing. It's proof that imagination always wins over expensive stuff. Close your eyes and imagine the sound of laughter echoing through your yard, not the hum of card swipes or rental trucks. That sound, that pure joy, is what every parent truly wants to hear. It's the sound of a happy, memory-filled day that money just can't buy. So remember, moms, kids don't need more things. They need more moments. When you lead with creativity instead of your credit card, you give them the kind of happiness that lasts forever. It's not about spending, it's about connecting. You don't need fancy props or pricey setups to make memories that stick. A simple photo booth corner with fun DIY props and fairy lights can create moments your kids will remember for years. It's not about perfection, it's about joy and laughter. Instead of spending on decorations that get thrown away, invest in keepsakes that tell your story. Print the photos, make a little scrapbook, or frame a few favorites. These are the things your kids will look back on and smile. Perfection doesn't make memories, love does. The mess, the laughter, even the cake that leaned a little to the side. Those are the real moments that matter. Let go of perfect and embrace the fun. Because one day you'll flip through those photos and realize these little moments were the big things all along. So breathe, smile, and make memories that money can't buy. So moms, you don't need to spend big to throw something beautiful. You just need heart, creativity, and a little planning. It's not about how much you spend. It's about how much joy you create. If this helped you rethink party planning, hit like, subscribe, and share this with your mom friends. Tell me in the comments, what's the best budget-friendly party trick you've tried? Let's share ideas and make every mom feel empowered. This is the Budget Betty channel, real tips, real moms, real savings. Until next time, remember, the best parties come from the heart, not the wallet.